For months, the iPhone 15 rumor mill has been indicating that Apple's future smartphone line would see a price increase, but now a top industry figure has all but verified those worries. Dan Ives, a well-known analyst with the financial services company Wedbush Securities, said this week on CNBC that the average selling price of Apple's next iPhones would rise, translating into a higher price for the iPhone 15 range than for current models. Ives also revealed in advance that the price of the iPhone 14 went up in overseas markets, although prices in the United States stayed the same. The situation for American clients seems to not be as favorable this time. Everyone's prices are rising, including Apple's, so the company is not exempt. According to a tweet leak, the price to produce an iPhone 15 will increase by 12% from the previous model, while the price to produce an iPhone 15 Pro would rise by 20%. According to Forbes, numerous industry insiders and analysts have issued warnings that iPhone prices might rise by as much as $200, especially for the pricey iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Ives did not provide exact pricing information, so it is unclear how much more costly these models will be for buyers in the United States. Additionally, it's unclear if consumers in other nations should prepare for a price rise like the one experienced with the iPhone 14 as well. Ives is still upbeat about the launch of the iPhone 15 and its possible effect on Apple's stock prices despite the anticipated price increase. Ives thinks the iPhone 15 series might be one of Apple's most successful product lines to date, in part because there are still over 250 million older iPhone models in circulation, which could lead to a major wave of upgrades once the iPhone 15 series is introduced. We might anticipate that the iPhone 15 series will become available around the time Apple typically announces new iPhone models in September. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.